Hi, this is Esther, and today I'm going to show you how to create or make people move in Lumion. Let's just play this video really quick to show what's the ultimate goal here. Super simple, just a little girl walking from here to there. And first of all, of course, you want to set up the camera. So let's say I just gotta delete this and go back to build. It's probably what you want to start with. Put in the building that you want and the people, stage them, and then you go to movie. And then from there, you record. So now you can have the opportunity to set up your camera. Let's say this is what I want, and then I want to go to here, just kind of zoom in itself, and I can also play to see if I like it. Okay, I do like it, so I'll just hit check. And now you can also, put in realistic style and kind of change the sun a little bit. If you don't quite like it, oh man, this is very cool. Sorry, get distracted. Let's say that's what you want, and let's go to move for people. And there are a few move function. Today I'll just focus on advanced move. And then after you select it, you can hit the edit button. Now, like I said, I want to move this girl from here to there, and she will walk throughout the short video that I have. So let's stage her to this location, and you can see that a key just popped out because now her location is recorded. Then I select this. This is actually the length of the video, and then move her to over, let's say, here, and hit check. Now you can just check if that's what you want. If she is walking too fast, you might want to adjust her and things like that. Either you can adjust the length of the video or adjust the length that she walk, or even the speed, because if I go back to here, you can see max 5 seconds, or you can decrease or increase time. So that's what it is, and hope you enjoy.